Okay, we got a few more boxes came in here. eBay crap. I think most of this is racing stuff, but we'll find out. I forget. Alright, this one's pretty damn heavy. I know it's not a cylinder, it's too small, but it's heavy. Oh, chains. Oh, that's heavy. Diamond primary chains. These are getting hard and hard to come by. These are the non-China ones. So these should be good. These are for a Sportster. So this is a triple row, small diameter. There you go. Nice new one. You want change you're looking for, you want to have the square links on them, rectangle links, like this, instead of ones that look like a figure eight. Those are a lot weaker. Then you look at the thickness of the plates, and you look at the thickness of the pin that goes through it, the rivet piece. So, diamonds always work good for me. Never had a problem with them. So I like them. They're just getting really, really hard to come by. Will that fit back in that box is the question. Probably not. Doesn't matter. I need one for my race bike, so instead of using up inventory, I just buy more. Can it fit back in there? It almost fit back in there. Yeah, it got dirty. So the reason I need a chain is last week, or early in the week, race bike got taken apart. And somewhere down here is a primary chain. I think I left it over here. So this one here is well used. It's going to get cycled out. It's starting to look a little loose on the teeth, but the biggest thing is that my transmission has got some issues with it over here. So when your gear looks like that, it's missing a couple teeth off of it for no apparent reason I can think of. That's third gear, and third gear was working last time I went down the track. Whenever you have a problem like that, it's a good idea to change out your chains, because when this breaks, it does a lot of damage. So it's a cheap $100 and something bucks, whatever they are these days. They're going to be about $100 a quarter or better these days, and hard to get, but anyway. Get the good ones. They hold up a lot of abuse. So I picked up 3 of them. So the number is 335-3 and it's 94 long. So there you go. So now I got one for my bike because it's going to need one. Guaranteed you it needs one. Yeah, I'll have a video on that when I get it all cleaned up. So, all right, there we go.